Alright, check this out. So I picked up a 30% vinegar here, and the reason why is because you ever get hard water stains that you can't get rid of. This is awesome, and you can buy your own CLR stuff. This is empty now, so I'm going to use this spray bottle, but pretty easy, guys. So you can make your own CLR. So stuff is really expensive, and you don't want to waste your money. You can make your own. So you buy yourself some vinegar. Okay, you can use the regular 5% if you want, but I want it a little bit stronger because there are certain hard water strains that just don't come out unless you have it strong enough. Okay, so here, check that out. This is some borax. You put that together, mix this with some water, and dilute it, and then I'm gonna put it in here. So I'll show you once I get it all set up, guys. So I'm gonna glove up because it is 30%. So yeah, I'll be back. All right. So what I have here is pretty straightforward. I got it all ready. So got a little small cup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of the borax in there, mix it with some water, and then I'm gonna pour it in here. And then how much would I pour in here? You know, you don't need a lot. I would say, because remember, this container is only 760 here, so I'll probably go up to here with that much borax, and then add some vinegar to this, and then just add water to this, and then pretty much it. I'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, so here's the borax. I dumped it out there. If you guys want to see what borax looks like, that's what it looks like. So I put the vinegar in already, so I put it up to this much right there where my finger is, and then I'm gonna dilute it, and then we'll add the borax to it, and then you're done. So I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, it's all done. There you go. So I'm gonna try it and test it out. I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, there's those hard water stains right there. So I'm gonna try it. I'll be right back. Alright, check out the hard water stains. They're absolutely all gone. So this is why you need something higher in acidity, or else you can never get rid of those hard water stains. And like I used the regular CLR, as you can see in the old container there. It wouldn't get rid of those hard water stains. So that's why I ramped it up and got something a little bit stronger. As you can see, it is very clean now. So definitely check it out, guys. Thumbs up the video if this helped you. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and don't forget to stay tuned for my next video.